The outdoor kitchen reimagined with Burnout. Outdoor cabinetry from Germany. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite activities in the summer is actually cooking outside. There's something so fun, and you can just create the most delicious foods, but on top of it, create this amazing atmosphere. And there are more and more people creating heated outdoor kitchens and outdoor elements to extend the summer season. Well, if you are thinking about creating a stunning outdoor kitchen, let me tell you about one of those amazing outdoor kitchen products I came across in a very long time. The Material Bar presents Burnout, an outdoor kitchen manufacturer out of Germany, completely reimagining what's possible. My name is Kerstin, and I'm the owner and founder of the Material Bar. We are a destination kitchen and bath showroom located just south of Tacoma, featuring a world of international remodeling brands. Our team of brand experts are here to show you the possibilities of what you can create for your own space. Let's talk about product concepts and features. First off, this product is designed and manufactured in Germany. And I really love bringing on German products because I already know they will have amazing quality, innovation that we might be lacking in other products. Burnout was created by two outdoor barbecue fanatics, Daniel and Thomas, and they really embraced the outdoor living concept and they took it to another level. They're already outdoor cabinet lines, but a huge difference to Burnout is that it is an actual functional kitchen. Now that's what I call German efficiency. And yes, you can get all of the appliances as part of your order already modified for the US market, if you want. And one of the top features what spiked my interest in this product is the warranty, because Burnout offers you a guaranteed 10-year warranty on their product without the need to have it covered. That's huge. If you read some of the warranty fine prints with like other outdoor cabinet makers, they actually tell you that the product needs to be covered to get, any kind of benefit of the warranty. And it kind of contradicts itself, right? And if you think about the alternative, there are outdoor kitchens that people build from scratch. They'll have installers over and kind of have it built, but can that really be guaranteed for longevity in any kind of way? Not really. A good warranty on a product always makes me more at ease about that product's quality. So I waited for you to open this. I actually just got my sample box and I'm going to unbox it with you and we get to look at some fun colors together. So let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we have. All right, now like I told you, I have not looked at any of these. So this is color Smoke, super fun. Next, we have Oak, really fun, love this. And then we have Dark Oak, also really cool. This is like my new favorite color in here. It's called Dust. This has such a California feel to it. I absolutely am obsessed with this finish. And then Pure. Also very cool. Wow, I love that. That has a really cool matte feeling to it. So I'm just making sure you guys can see this correctly, but wow, absolutely, I'm loving this. What else we have? Okay, now obviously black we call Shadow, and then we have a darker gray, which is called Dawn. So just so you can kind of differentiate the two colors. So a darker gray, again, a really cool like matte finish here. And then, oh, this is an example of Dekton countertops. Here's something else that I didn't even mention before. The entire kitchen obviously gets built in Germany, so we can freight it in via air freight. And like I said, it can come with the countertops pre-built. So this is a really good example. So they love using Dekton because Dekton is a really great material for the outdoor space. There is no fading, especially when we're talking about not covering something. You have a lot of UV sunlight, so you want to make sure you're using products that are going to be non-fading or fade resistant. There would be a really nice combo. There's so many fun combos here. And then you can also play with your frame colors. I see. So powder coated stainless steel right here. So you could do a different combination of your frame and your actual like carcass material. And these colors all mimic, so that's Pure. You could do almost like this monochrome, very slick look. So you could match the frame color with the actual box color. So you could do Pure with the color Pure we seen earlier. This was Pure. That would look absolutely stunning. I love it. Okay, so these are all of the frame colors. And there's also silver. And I've seen on one of the images, silver used with dark oak, for example, also a really, really nice combination. So looking at all of this, who is ready to have fun designing their outdoor kitchen? If you're really intrigued about this product, Burnout also created a section on their website where you can play and design on your own layout. And I have the link for you guys below. It's actually kind of fun, so give it a test run and see what you can come up with. Thank you for exploring our new outdoor kitchen brand, Burnout, with me. And feel free to comment below if you have any kind of questions at all. I always love to get back to you guys. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video, ready to bring you a whole new world of international brands to raise your remodeling experience.